Dust on the chrome, busted tail fin, dreaming of a ride back home. I scraped old rust off her long white bones. Said, girl, we ain't done, now the whole town knows. Wrenches on the bench, grease on my shirt, battery humming like a promise from the dirt. One more bolt, then she wakes up clean, got that old glow back shining through the seams. 1956 Cadillac Die Valkyrie, roll with me, roll with me. Down that coast at sunset, let the whole wide world see. 1956 Cadillac Die Valkyrie, roll with me, roll with me. Chrome catching the last light, that's where I wanna be. New white walls kiss the ground, engine clears its throat. Bench seat smooth as Sunday, dashboard got it sold. I heard that old V8 growl like a lonesome song. Now every mile I fish feels like where I belong. Map folded on the seat, wind in my hands, salt in the air, and a life that fits my plans. You and me in a tank full of gold, headed for the blue edge where the road runs slow. 1956 Cadillac Die Valkyrie, roll with me, roll with me. Down that coast at sunset, let the whole wide world see. 1956 Cadillac Die Valkyrie, roll with me, roll with me. Chrome catching the last light, that's where I wanna be. Take the curve by the cliffs, let it sing through the frame. All that hard-earned loving turned a wreck into a flame. If the sky goes pink and the tide rolls high, I'll be grinning like a kid when she turns her lights on the night.